Welcome to today's video where we're going to be looking at proofing. Now, proofing, when we refer to proofing, we're just looking at all the things that we are going to put in place to ensure that our spelling and grammar checks, our punctuation, all those things are checked as we go through the document. Okay. When we refer to proofing, we are actually talking about, sorting out any grammatical, spelling, like I said, punctuation errors while we are going through and not at the end of the process. Okay, so if we go to our file button and we then go to more and we go to options, in 2010 it will just be file options. You'll see it brings up a dialog box and we've got the button on the left hand side there called proofing. So when you click on proofing, you can see we've got options for autocorrect. Okay, the next one says when correcting spelling in Microsoft Office programs, ignore words in uppercase, ignore words that contain numbers. So if you put a tick in this is what is going to happen within your Microsoft Office programs. You can set up a custom dictionary. Obviously Word is based, in fact Office is based on American English. So if you've got, if you're typing in Afrikaans or Xhosa or anything like that, you would maybe need to add a couple of words into the dictionary. Also, the next one deals with when correcting spelling and grammar. So here you can see if I take this tick, for example, and it applies to all of these. If I take the tick out of check spelling as you type, it won't check the spelling as I type. That would mean that I could effectively do my entire document, type everything out, and if I take ticks out of this stuff, it'll only, or I will have to manually go and, check through everything. But when we tick these things, it actually does this as we are going through the document or as we are typing it out. You can see here, I can hide spelling errors. There's a number of different options, but this is just showing you where proofing is and the kinds of options we have to make sure that we are correcting our mistakes as we process through our document and not right at the end.